Hi, this is Kylie from Crafting on the Fly, and today I'm going to show you how to make matching buttons for your crochet projects. And now actually let's do those buttons so that we can see how big it is. So you're going to use some yarn and you're going to wind it around your finger 7 times. Then use a small 3mm hook, insert it in the center, and then just pull up the rest of the yarn and do a single crochet. Keep on doing that, pulling it up and doing a single crochet into the center of all those, that little bunch that you made with the yarn, and you do that 17 times until you're all the way around there. Could be you need a little bit more or less in the beginning, but about 17. Just make sure that you really fill it all up and also bunch the edge or the loose end into it as well so that it's all covered. Just make sure it's all covered. For me, that took 17 single crochets, but it might be more or less for you, so just go with whatever works. So that one more. That's the first round. That's all covered, looks like a donut. Now for the second round, you go again, just doing single crochets into the center over the row of single crochets you did before. So that should be another 17 to go around. One more time here. And you can pull them up so that it more becomes like a bunting, I guess. So that it doesn't, like the edge doesn't have to be in the center there on the outside, but more like on that top that you're working out, so that it's a little bit rounded on the other side, starting to have that look of a button. So once you have that second round done, you can see here, you do a third round, again single crochets, 17 across all the other single crochets. See how it's like a bunting here, and then it's starting to bunch up on the other side. So like I said, another 17, so you have 3 rounds of 17 single crochets into the center and just 1 round on top of the other round. So once that is complete, you can see the button coming into shape there. Just take it out, leave a long tail, and then just use a needle and go from left to right to bunch it up some more, so that you really have that button shaped. So all the little ends there from your single crochets, pull them all towards the center, and then you can shape the button. Just keep on going so that it's really all together there in the back. And these buttons are really the nicest. It's nice, and since it's the fabric or the yarn itself, so it's the same color, which is awesome. And then they're not too, even though it seems like they're really sturdy and they really hold up, at the same time they're also nice and soft. So they're perfect for comfy cardigan. And now you can attach your button to your project with the rest of the yarn and have your own matching buttons. Have fun with that, and I see you in the next video.